Okay, well, I'm going to see if I can get this to do something. Yeah, my boss wants me to come in early. Yay, overtime. Which means I need to be in bed in the next 30 minutes so that I can get a good 6 hours of sleep uh, and still get this thing in the can. So I am hoping that this works, or I guess I have one or two videos. I don't know. We'll see. Uh, it is what it is. Scam likely. I have my phone on and it's not on. Yeah, do not disturb. Because I was expecting calls from others and they haven't come in yet. And then my boss and several scam calls have called while I'm waiting for other to call. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. Interesting weekend so far for me. And I hope you all have had an interesting week. And, well, you're probably getting to the end of yours and starting your weekend. Hope it's a good one. Uh, but yeah, jobs can get in your way of your weekend and end it abruptly at times. Uh, that's why my boss, he's willing to call because he knows I'll work. He's going to miss me when I'm not here. Uh, it is what it is, though. Like I say, it's my time to retire. I'm definitely ready to retire. Don't know about you, but like I said, I've been plugging away at it for a while and am literally to the point that I just want to, yeah, be done with it and go fishing. Somebody I was talking to online, uh, customer service, and they are in the Philippines. And he was talking, I was talking about wanting to get over there to go fishing. And he says, well, there's a great little island, Camigan Island. And I went and looked it up. And oh, dang, there is a bunch of stuff on that place to look and see. I don't know yet if I would want to live there. Part of me likes the idea. Part of me is like, oh my God, 7 volcanoes on this little bitty 60 square kilometer island? I don't know. Yeah, that's. But then again, it's a beautiful island. A lot of pretty things around it, on it. I saw a couple of the waterfalls they have there, and oh my gosh, beautiful place. Yeah. Uh, and well, it does have an active volcano that's sitting there with a dome. So, yeah, I don't know, but it is a beautiful place, and the visit would be well worth it, I think. Anyway, uh, I'm gonna try to do something with this right quick. Williams, Philippines. Uh, Later blessings. Bye bye. Lots of food, friends and family. Lots of food. Yeah, always more food. And yeah, I'm fishing. Fish is out of here. Fish out.